Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your AKG N700 noise cancellation M2 headphones with any Android phone or any Android tablet. So first of all, you have to grab the right headphone. It's right here, and we have to move this power button just like that. Right now this indicator inside will turn, and then to activate the pairing mode you have to do this one more time, so move this button like that. And as you can see right now the pairing mode is enabled, so we are visible and we can simply go to the Bluetooth settings on our Android device. We have to open the Bluetooth, then turn it on, and from available devices list select our headphones. Accept pairing. Right now, to get more features of our headphones, I can recommend you to open the Play Store and get this AKG headphone application. It's actually this one. So let's get it. Right now, let's open it. Swipe a few times and click to get started. Then accept both permissions. As you can see, we have to grant access to the location. So just do this like that, then go back to the application. And as you can see right now, it is searching for our headset, but we are connected already by the standard Bluetooth settings. So in the most cases, after a few moments, we'll get this notification that we are connected. So you have to be patient and just wait a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like it's actually not working. So I can recommend you to simply restart this application. That's what I'm gonna do right now. And as you can see, after a simple restart, we are already connected right now. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.